Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, July 13th. Time is around 6:50 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Oanda platform. So, if you have seen my weekend analysis or my higher time frame analysis, you should know that for now I believe the high was in here and that we have a pullback in the FTSE. And yeah, I see this as an ABC structure. So I believe we are currently doing this wave C here to the downside, which should end in this area normally. So this area is the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension is the area where our wave C should end. So we had the wave A, we had the wave B, we are now doing the wave C here. And yeah, this wave C is also subdivided in several waves, subwaves. Let's have a closer look at this on the 1 hour chart. So I believe we did here a wave 1, then a wave 2 to the upside as an ABC correction. And then here I think we are working on a wave 3 that should end here into this area. This area we find by taking the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, and then here in this area between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension, this wave 3 should end. And this wave 3 also consists of subwaves. And so it looks like this was our wave 1, this was our wave 2. Then we actually hit our target for a wave 3. So if we take the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, then you see that here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension is the area where our wave 3 should end. And as you can see, we have a very nice reaction from here to the upside. And so I think this is a wave 4, but in order for this to be a wave 4, we should actually start to pull back soon. Otherwise it would not be a wave 4 anymore, because as you can see, we are reaching the upper limit of a wave 4. So according to the rules, a wave 4 cannot go retrace more than the 0.618 fib retracement. We are actually almost there, and personally I even try to or I prefer to use the 0.5 fib level. So here now we are in an area from where we should retrace. If we go up more, then it would mean this Elliott wave count is no longer valid. And then I have to reconsider my Elliott wave count. Like I was really expecting that we would take out this low soon. And as you can see, it holds for now, this low. And I think 2 weeks ago in my higher time frame analysis, I also discussed a bullish scenario, what could happen from here. And I believe we could do a triangle here as a higher degree wave 4, A, B, C, D, E, and then up again. Like this was an alternative scenario to make one more high. I did not pay any attention anymore to this scenario last week because yeah, I was really expecting to take out this low here. But now in my next higher time frame analysis this weekend, I will discuss this scenario again, because if we hold this low, this triangle scenario in the higher time frame is something that could play out. So yeah, for now, there is not much that I can do with the FTSE. Maybe let's zoom into the 15-minute. Now I'm just curious about this structure, how this will work out. Like if we see that this becomes 5 waves that end with divergence, then I will consider this as an impulse, and then I might think that some low, then we have to see in the higher degree what exactly it could be, might be in here, and that we actually are ready for a move up from here. As you can see, we also reached a lot of areas from where we could expect move up. um, so this is what I am looking for. So if I see now, this is the scenario in red. So my alternative scenario is that this becomes an impulse. And then we have a wave 1, wave 2. Then we are doing our wave 3, or we did our wave 3. And we might now pull back for a wave 4. And then we should have a wave 5 that ends with divergence. If I see this wave 5 ending with divergence in the 1 hour time frame, this will be a short for me. But in my primary scenario, I will still assume that this is a wave 4 actually, and then we here have, or we here should have an ABC correction like this, A, B, C. And then but yeah, as I told you, we are reaching the upper limit here of this wave 4. This would mean that we really start to go down again from here. So yeah, I don't think you can yeah, you could enter a short here, but I mean, yeah, then this becomes your invalidation level actually. So yeah, if this risk reward is good for you, you could enter a short here against this, assuming that this will be a 4 and that our wave C is uh, ends here. But like I told you, this can also develop in an impulse if some low is in here. So then we might do a 3, 4, and even take out this high here before we return. So for a short, I think it's safer to wait for the impulse. If it plays out, we can do an impulse, because here, yeah, it's yeah, kind of acting in the dark. You This is not really clear what this will become. This is not a clear setup. Although I think that this is a wave 4. Like yeah, there is, it can become an impulse as well. So for a short, I prefer to wait for the impulse. And yeah, if it starts to drop from here, then it drops from here. Then I missed it. But if you want to take it, then yeah, this is your invalidation level. Actually, we cannot take out this wave 2, so your wave 4 cannot cross the wave 2. So then this is your invalidation. So this is what I see in the FTSE. So if I want to do a short, I wait for my 5 waves that end with divergence, then we will have a pullback as an ABC, and then this can be bought again. But yeah, for now, this is a bit of speculation. We need more data to see what we actually can do here. And yeah, finally, in my higher time frame analysis, I will pick up the triangle scenario again. That is like bullish in the sense that we could make one more um, high, here, one more high, but then we should have downside from there. But this is for the upcoming weekend. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.